Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of POS Stock Location. I am telling you what is the use of POS Stock Location module. Let a cashier know how many products are available in current location and display only the current location product for stockable products. This is the use of this module. So now go to the point of sale and show the functionality of this module. So go to the configuration of POS and set the stock location of this inventory. So select WH stock location and save it and go to the POS session. Here you can see the available quantity of these products: conference chair, corner desk black and chair floor protection. 3 products of these available, and this is the available quantity of these products, and these 3 products of is available for WS stock location. And close this and go to the configuration and change the stock location and save it and go to the POS session, and you can see the different 3 products of the POS location of WH cell 1. This is the available quantity of these products. If you can change configuration, if you are not select location here, then it is give warning. So if you can use this module, then compulsory select stock locations and go to the shop. Now here you can see, here is the 7 quantity, here is the 9 quantity, here is the 5 quantity. So create one order with one quantity of these products and select customer and order for that and validate this order. And here you can see one quantity is less for this product and one quantity is less for this product. Is available is 8 and available of 6. This is the functionality of this POS stock location module. Thanks for watching this video.